Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the project. Enable Dev Console and confirm you have a working build. This avoids surprises. Once done, back up the assets and scripts folders to a separate location. Make sure to label the copy clearly. Next, open the Unity project and find the event manager and relevant character prefabs. These are your anchors. You will create a new event script and reference the event manager. So gather ID and prefab names now, because you'll need them immediately for wiring. You now implement the core logic by creating a C# script that inherits from the mod's event script base. Define start event to set NPC positions, load animations, and play audio clips. Explain why you use coroutines for timing. Coroutines prevent frame hitches and simplify delays. Then implement end event to cleanly reset NPC states and free resources. Once coded, reference NPC ID and trigger conditions, and call Event Manager. Register your event so the game knows when to activate your event. You finish by wiring the event into the data file. Add a JSON entry with the event ID, trigger type, spawn positions, and priority so the scheduler picks it up. Then test using the Dev Console. Trigger the event, watch the inspector, and read runtime logs to verify states. Iterate on timing if animations overlap. If things go wrong, check console errors first, then confirm no missing references or prefab links. Those are the usual causes. Fix null refs, reassign, and retest until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.